another. Too much of one thing and none of another. I went to the doctor, see what it could be. Well, this is what the doctor told me. He said, too much tonight, like not enough love. Too much tonight, like not enough love. So I went and took the doctor's advice. I found a girl that I thought was nice. She turned around and she left me blue. And now I just don't know what to do. If it